Hi boys and girls, it's Shane and Peyton. We're looking at a house here in Fort Smith to see if it's going to work as an investment property. I want you to guess how much this is going to go for. How much do you think this home is being sold for? So they've already started on sheetrock on the inside. Is this your first time walking in this one?
First time.
If you don't know Peyton, he's been following me for a couple of years and recently got into doing his own real estate investing. And you've done what, 6 houses now or 7?
Yes, I'm on 6 houses currently and then looking to get into more soon. The floors all seem super stable.
Yeah. They've taken walls out, like,
well, yeah.
So they were structuring this up.
Brand new headers.
Yeah, so they were making this more of an open concept from where it was before. Okay, let's go through. I'm not terrified yet. What do you see that are red flags? Okay, so they're working on the electrical and didn't get all the way there.
Yeah, they've got all the floors up. Oh shit, it's a cat.
A cat?
Yeah, right over here. It just ran past.
There's a lot of them in Fort Smith. Okay, so they were doing this to be able to get access to the plumbing.
Maybe I can rehome another kitty.
Did you rehome those others?
No, they ended up just...
They left on their own accord?
Did not come back.
They didn't want to be around all the construction. All right, so more wiring.
So I need to insulate. That used to be a window that they framed in.
This looks like there's some structural. Yeah, this has definitely got some structural stuff here. See down into the crawl space where the vent used to be.
At least it's all open where I can see it. It's a lot easier.
Yeah, it makes it easier to make a decision.
Whenever it's all closed off where you can't see things.
Okay.
So here's one of the bathrooms. That's upstairs.
Oh, there's actually an upstairs in this.
Yeah,
How do you access the upstairs?
I don't know.
I guess they took the stairway out at some point.
Maybe. How the hell do you get up there?
There's a ladder right now.
I mean, I see where they gotten up there. Maybe it's in here.
Trying to find the stairway. We can play the Dora the Explorer. Can you help me find the stairway? Do you see the stairway? No, it couldn't have been back there.
Where is it? Or where was it? These are all old floors, so you can see where they would have removed something if they did.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. I'm gonna go up the ladder. Screw it, we're going up the ladder. Fortunately, I'm in my steel toe flip-flops.
Big time safety.
All right. It's pink up here.
Oh, pink, my favorite color.
It is warm. Okay. Big front room space. Popcorn ceiling, stylish. They were working on some vents and stuff. I don't know where the stairway would have been except where the bathroom is now. I think I'd be careful standing there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get up on one of these. Well, they floored all this though, so I mean, this was before.
Then this would be the HVAC closet over here. And there's the chimney. Huh. What do you think, boys and girls? How much would a house like this cost where you live? Do you think that this would be a good deal, or would this terrify you to have to do all this work? So this house is listed for 65,000, Peyton says. We could probably negotiate him down from that because it's been sitting around here a while. What do you think? How much would you offer?